Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we're making a Lotus biscoff cheesecake with my sister Iman. Iman is actually getting all the ingredients ready for today's video, but I promise you, she does feature. All the ingredients for today's video are going to be in the description box down below, so make sure you check them out before you start cooking. There is one more thing Iman has to say to you before the video begins.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you also turn your post notification bell on and comment #CookingSquad.
There are no new notification shoutouts for this video, but if you would like to be featured in our next video, make sure you just comment #CookingSquad in the comments down below and you'll be featured in one of our videos. Without further ado, let's get right on into the video. And we're back. Firstly, you have to blitz 150 grams of biscuit in a food processor. We are using the plain digestive biscuit, and 150 grams is roughly half of a packet. You can also use Lotus biscuits, but we're only using them for decoration on the top of the cheesecake. We've broken it up into small pieces and put it in the container. We haven't done all of it because there isn't enough room, but we're going to add that bit once this is all in a crumb. We realised that there's a max and we were going and it was doing it too slowly, so we just emptied a few more into the bowl and now we're just going to start blitzing again. It's all blitzed up and we just transferred it to a bowl. We have 62 grams of butter in here. Now we've got to melt it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Be back when that's done. The butter is all melted and now we just have to mix it all up with the crushed biscuits. It's all combined and now we just have to pat it down into the cake liner. The trick to getting the perfect shaped cheesecake is to just really push it into the corners. We are now going to add 250 grams of mascarpone or cream cheese, which is in fact this entire container, 50 grams of icing sugar, 125 grams of Lotus spread, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll be with you guys when I've got them all in the bowl. Now I've got all the ingredients in the bowl, so with your electric whisk, you have to mix this until it's combined and smooth. Top tip, when it's nearly done, make sure you get your spatula or another utensil and scrape down the sides of the bowl because you have to make sure everything is equally combined. Now we're going to add 150 grams of double cream and mix it all up. When you're whisking in the double cream, make sure you don't over whip it because slow and steady wins the race. It's all combined and it's thick and it's meant to hold itself, so I think this is a perfect texture. Now we're going to move this mixture into this cake tin. Now we are just going to flatten it all up. Time lapse now. It's perfectly smooth and now we're going to chill it. This can be anywhere from 5 hours to overnight. Ours is going to be 8 hours because we are fasting. Be back when we're decorating it. I cannot wait. Hello, welcome back. It is much later in the evening, as you can tell.
The cheesecake has been setting in the fridge for about 8 hours. We are going to go check on it and we're going to go decorate.
Let's go! This is the finished product. If you're wondering what we did as a sauce, it's just plain chocolate with a bit of double cream. And with the excess chocolate, we actually put a few Rice Krispies in a bowl and made a little Rice Krispie treats type thing. We do have to get this into the fridge quite quickly because the whipped cream is melting as we speak. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this video, don't we, Iman?
Yeah, we do. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you also turn your notification bell on and comment #Cooking Squad.
We hope to see you next time, and until then, goodbye.
Bye.